Hi, Chris Cheek here with 3L Power. Today we're looking at a rather unique semiconductor power module made by Solitron Devices. Here it is. It's a 1200 volt module, and other devices come in the same package with ratings over 100 amp. The pins come facing away from the heatsink side, so they bend up, but they can obviously bend whichever way you need for your particular design. Here at 3L Power, we built a development board for this particular module. It comes complete with the fans and the cooling, and even a built-in inductive load that can be run in parallel or series or by itself with an external load that can be connected right over here. The built-in load can run up to 40 amps RMS, and with an external load attached, you can run much higher currents up until the point at which the internal temperature sense circuitry shuts the whole thing down. This test system was designed specifically for testing gate drivers, and each transistor has two different gate drivers that can be populated. On the top gate driver circuitry is based on an on-semiconductor gate driver chip, and on the back of the board is some circuitry based on an IXIS chip. The board has a full H-bridge consisting of 4 silicon carbide devices, or 2 of the modules, and all the capacitance and heat sinking needed to drive 40 amps RMS at any voltage up to about 500 volts RMS. The drive is designed to switch at speeds between 40 kHz and 500 kHz. Effectively, this is a 20 kilowatt single-phase drive. Though any method of cooling can be used with this module, it is uniquely well adapted to the impingement cooling methods that are popular in the CPU industry. Highly turbulent air allowed by impingement cooling is what we have used to cool the transistors. The small form factor of the Solitron module is easily cooled by any of the 45mm, 50mm, or 60mm heat sinks that are out on the market today. We have the drive running here around 60 kHz. As expected out of the Silicon Carbide FET, switching is very fast, and the low impedance of the DC link and the gate driver designs have allowed for minimal voltage overshoot. It's running here in rather low voltage for the demonstration. And that was the Solitron Devices SD11905. If you want to know anything more about 3L Power or about Solitron Devices, you can click on one of the links below.